In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to draw Spiderman Miles Morales in a cute chibi style. With this step-by-step guide, you'll be able to draw your very own Chibi Miles Morales in no time. Let's draw with Astro Draw. First, sketch the basic chibi body shape for Spiderman Miles Morales, including his head, body, arms, and legs. Jacket. Hands. Legs. Cool. Next, create an outline by tracing over your sketch. Use a darker pencil or pen to make the lines more visible. Mask. Hands. Costume. Legs. Shoes. Now it's time to add color. Spiderman Miles Morales typically wears a black and red suit, so you can start by coloring his mask and body black. Deep maroon. Dark purple. Bright red. Baby blue. Navy blue. Maroon. Dark red. Dark teal. White. Awesome! You've successfully created a cute chibi version of Spiderman Miles Morales. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest content. We'll see you in the next video.